Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to start a group call on Snapchat for Android. Whether you want a video chat with multiple friends or just have a group audio call, this is super easy. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone, make sure you're logged into your account, and you'll land on the camera screen. Now, swipe right from the camera screen or tap the chat icon at the bottom left corner. This takes you to your chats page where you can see all your conversations. Okay, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue button with a pencil or message icon. Tap on it and go to New Call section to start a new call. A list of your Snapchat friends will appear. Select the people you want to add to the group call by tapping on their names. You can add multiple friends at once. Each person you select will get a check mark next to their name. Once you've selected everyone you want to call, tap the Start Group Call button at the bottom. Snapchat will immediately start calling all the selected friends at once. When they answer, you'll all be connected in a group call. You can switch between video and audio during the call by tapping the camera or microphone icons. And that's it! You're now on a group call with your friends on Snapchat. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.